why use your solution versus AWS?
So I'll take that. And, we are, um, in a lot of cases, we don't necessarily compete with AWS. We actually work in a hybrid environment in which customers use Cloudian on premises and AWS S3 in the cloud, right? We don't say don't use the cloud. That's a complete business decision and what have you. But there's a lot of applications that cannot move data into the cloud, and that's where Cloudian becomes very, very key uh, to some of our customers. And if you look at what I was suggesting, we are actually built on the same API set as AWS S3, and we keep track with all the features coming in AWS to the extent possible. Of course, there's always a little bit of a lag, but we try to give our customers the same kind of product that they would need to go to the cloud for, but on premises. So much so that we are service ready validated for AWS Outpost. So when you actually get AWS infrastructure on premises, if you need to get an external storage connected to the AWS Outpost rack, you have the option of actually picking up Cloudian, and that's where that kind of gives you an idea of how closely we track with AWS on that.
Yeah, I'll just add to that a little bit, Amit, and that is, we have customers that kind of want to do both, right? They want to
Yeah,
have
exactly.
store some of their data on AWS and S3 buckets, and some of it on premises and S3 buckets, and they're always looking for an opportunity to lower costs, or have a plan when, let's say, Amazon goes down for the day, which happens occasionally, pretty rarely, but it could, the clouds could go down, right? So they want to make sure that everything keeps running, even if the clouds go down. So for disaster recovery, they can very easily switch over to a very similar system that's running in AWS cloud to one that's running on premises. And this is a very easy switch when you use this Cloudian and Vertica solution together.